Here they all are, all grouped together. Oh, there's that one that's distant, just looking around over there, kind of hiding off by himself. Then I got these two, the same. And I got a little distant hen, two other hens, and then Mr. Rooster. Look at that rooster face. I get to get a better look. There he is. There he is. Okay, you don't like that little hen? Okay. No, his ones are eating the... What is this, that bark? Yeah, I guess they're eating bark. Strange things. Strange little bastards. As you can see, it's just all snow. And there's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chickens. 7 of you little bastards. 7 of you. Okay. That rooster's dominant. Wish I get a... No, he doesn't. He's spunky. Peckfest. Pecksters. I'm gonna go grab them some food. Just put a little bit out on the ground for them. Because, yes, they're out free range. They should be able to find food. But I'm gonna give them about 2 scoops. Because my grandpa forgot to feed them yesterday. Got too cold for him. He was out doing stuff. So he never got around to it. So I think it's enough for them. Annoying thing. So there they are, just eating, pecking at stuff. Pecking at stuff. Pecking. Yes, and by the way, guys, this is whoever will be watching this video when I get it posted. This will be their first winter, first snow ever. Well, they've gotten out of the pen and the coop a couple of times. But this will be their first all of them out together because of me letting them out. Video of them free ranging together. So yeah, it's a fun one. I think these things are so impressive and so cool. I love my chickens. My pride and joy. Do anything and everything for him. Spent a lot of money on food too. I just went and bought 10 bags worth of food for him the other day. 50 pounds each. Real proud of myself. I think I'm a really good person because I take care of them. I take time out of every day. I mean, it doesn't matter if I've had the flu. I've been sick with the flu, and I've come out here in the freezing weather to take care of them, to feed and water them. I've come out here when it's a windstorm. I've come out here when there's a tornado warning and there's flying winds around, just to feed and water them and pray for them. And everybody else, if anybody ever watches this video on YouTube, go check out my my sister's YouTube channel on YouTube. Her name is Tasoli Lavender. She's really good. She does animation and stuff. She's my little sister. I adore her. So I think that's about it for this video. I'm gonna end it here in about 15 seconds. Say goodbye, Mr. Rooster. Say goodbye, Rhode Island Reds. Say goodbye, exotic chickens. And say goodbye, Henny. And say goodbye, Mr. Exotic. Exotic.